Alright guys, you've seen the title of the video, so you know what that means. I have picked up another diecast. Well, I picked up another couple diecasts, but this video obviously is only covering one of them. The Bugatti Bolide. So I actually didn't pick this up. My girlfriend bought it for me off of Amazon. Because she's awesome. I don't exactly know how much it costs, because I didn't buy it. I think it was like, I don't know, $40 or something like that. I don't think it was crazy expensive. But yeah, so it's yellow. I mean, I'll take it out of the box, but yeah, it's yellow and black. And I think it looks really cool. I'm kind of excited to see what happens with the real Bolide. You know, the real car. But yeah, so let's get it out and check it out, because I haven't actually opened this or you know, seen the model outside of the box yet. So let's do it. Oh, and this is made by Burago, by the way, so, which is why I also think it's, you know, $40 whatever dollars. So before I pull it off, there it is from the top. It's got the giant wing on it and all that fun stuff. Like I said, I think it looks really cool. I'm usually not a fan of the like track only cars, but I don't know, the Bolide looks really good to me. So let's get it unscrewed and then we'll take a look at it, and then we'll put it in the shelving unit next to its Bugatti brothers and see how they look together. So just one more screw. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So, let's move the box out of the way, put the car down, and here it is. So I think there's some tape, yeah, there's some tape on the doors right here. So I'm guessing if I pull this off, the doors will pop up. So we'll put the tape to the side. Is there more tape or does it just pop up? It's not popping up. So I don't know, it doesn't look like there's more tape, but they're not popping up, so I'm not sure what the deal with that is. But anyways, here's the car. I think it looks pretty cool. I think it looks good in yellow for sure. Side profile, here's the rear. The wheels look good. Here's the from the back. There's the rear with the crazy diffuser and the exhaust and all that. I gotta say, for how cheap the model is, it looks really good. My cat is... Come on, Bogey. Get out of the way. So yeah, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. I'll see if I can figure out the door thing. I don't know why that's not working, but yeah. All right, well, let's put it in the cabinet and see how it looks next to the other two Bugattis. right in the middle, right between the Devo and the regular Chiron, if a Chiron could be considered regular. So yeah, there it is. Looks really wild even compared to the Devo, which is saying something because the Devo is a pretty crazy car. But yeah, there you go. Chiron, Bolide, and Devo. Newest car in the diecast collection. Man, that thing looks crazy good in yellow. Alright, well, let me know what you guys think of the model, and thanks for watching.